Hello everybody, I'm creating this screencast to show you how to use the attendance manager system. To show you or to remind you in case that you have used it before but you are not sure about how it works. So the idea is that you will need to use this URL address. Alright, so what you will need to do is copy this URL address. If you are not sure about the URL address, just let me know and I will send you an email with the link. And now put this URL address on your browser. And now the system will ask you for a username and password. Why is doing that? Because the system will produce the information that it's linked to you. So it's not going to show you information that you don't need. This is why it's asking for your username and password. If this username and password doesn't work, this should be your university username and password. If that one doesn't work, just let me know and I will create one for you. So for instance, in this case, I will use an example. And as you can see, I'm only showing the information that is linked to this username and password. So doing that, we try to avoid confusion so you are not going to click on the wrong course. So when you see that, can you see that this is the course that I need to fill the attendance? So I will click on the course. And now I've got two groups that I'm managing. So I will click on the group that I need to fill the attendance. Can you see that you've got the weekday and you've got the initial and end hours? So you will know which group you need to fill. And now you will see that there is a list of students and a list of days. These days corresponds to the session that you are managing, and they are the session that you need to fill the attendance. So for instance, in this case, I've got this student, and on this drop-down box for each day, for this day, I've got three possible options. So P is for present, and by default all of them are filled with P. AA is authorized absence, and UA is unauthorized absence. So the idea, if the student is not on your class, you will need to put an unauthorized absence. When you have finished to fill all this drop-down box with the corresponding information, you will need to click Save. If you don't click Save, the information is not sent to the server. So just remember that it's not enough just clicking and putting the right information. What you will need to do is, once you have finished, you will need to click Save. And that's it. Once you have clicked Save, all the information is sent to the server and we've got this information in our database. This drop-down box will be available to you 4 days after your session. So if you are going to put your information and you can see that this drop-down box is not there, just let me know. Why are we doing that? Because we encourage seminar leaders to put the information as soon as they can. So we are always working with current information. Okay, so let me know if there is any question, and I hope that this screencast has been useful. Thank you.